Hey, Jemima, but hold on. Let me just put my camera up real quick. It's currently like 6:30 in the morning. This is the earliest I've ever recorded. It's kind of insane. But, it's giving Pippi Longstocking. That's my business, because I'm gonna put these into the whoop-de-doops and go on about my day. But, yeah. My hair appointment tomorrow, because I can't go nowhere. And then, y'all, so the girl that so my original or my normal braiders, my Hair You Go girls in Frisco, I think they're down braiders. So I couldn't book me an appointment like 2 weeks ago, a week ago, whatever the case was. So I had to find me another braider, like, you know, that could braid my hair this weekend. I found this girl. She had availability. I booked online. I paid my deposit. And I saw that she said that you have to bring your own hair. And if you don't, let me know what you need, because I can provide it for you. But I only do, like, the natural colors. You know, 1B, 2, and 4. So I DM'd her yesterday at 10 a.m. Hey, can you let me know what hair you need? I have an appointment on Saturday at noon for some feed-ins. I'm just trying to see what color hair and, oh no, not what color, but what type of hair and how many packs I need for the style. And she didn't respond. She saw my message because Instagram says she seen my message. If this is going to be one of them situations where the girl is flaky, okay. I'm only at $35 for deposit. I want my $35 back if this bitch is not going to set my appointment. And what's also irritating me is she doing a special on Instagram, March Madness. So you doing hair. And what I hope didn't happen is she wanted, because on that post she said to DM her. But she has a booking link. I'm going to use your booking link. I don't believe in that DMing somebody for a service miss. You need to get a booking link if you want real clientele. Like, I don't like DMing and texting people for appointments. That's unprofessional to me. That's not, I'm not taking you serious until you get you a booking link. I don't care. I'm not going to be doing all this text DM for an appointment for you to change the price. Just, no. What's the price? Where do I book? How much is the deposit? These are the rules. Cool. I'll see you at whatever time I book my appointment. I'm not going to be doing all this texting and DMing. So she said that so she saw my message. She saw the message. I'm going to give her until 10 a.m. today. I'm going to message her again. Hello, ... question mark. I'm going to send her the booking confirmation. Because if that's the case, I need my money back if you done double booked me or whatever the case may be. Like, I booked on somebody's booking site one time, and he was like, girl, I texted him the day up, like, hey, you know, where's the appointment? And that's besides the point. He was like, girl, I don't even check that thing, but yeah, I can get you in today. Just come to this location, blah, blah, blah. It was still the exact same time, and he did exactly what I wanted for him to do, and I tipped him well. Because you do good business when you do good business, you know what I mean? She really pissed me off, or she's going to piss me off. She gonna run off with my $35, but you're doing a braid special right now. Just don't get beat the fuck up trying to, you know what I'm saying? Like, whatever though. If she doesn't come through, I'm gonna have to go walk into one of like the African braid shops. I'm a little scared, but I believe that I'm gonna be okay because I found a shop that I think will be good, and they said that they're not gonna snatch my edges out, and my edges is trying to grow back, and I just can't have my edges gone. But I want some feed-in braids. This battery finna die, so that means I gotta go. But I'll talk to y'all later today with an update on the braid girl. I look like the it's giving Polar Express. Good morning, Sherlock dumplings. Today is Saturday, and it's just gonna be pretty much a full-fledged self-care day. I just got finished eating my oatmeal. It's like almost 9 o'clock. It's like 8:50. I need to do been getting my hair done today. The girl responded back to me, so you know that's nice. So yeah, the girl responded back to me, so I'm getting my hair done today. I am doing my nails because if you can't see, I got a pinky missing, so I got to take my nails off. But I'm gonna just take them off first, and then I'm going to probably actually do them when I get back. I'm definitely gonna do my toes before I go though. I'm gonna give myself a pedicure, and then once I finish taking my nails off and taking my toenail polish off, I'm gonna shower, blow dry my hair, and then I think I'm gonna do actually paint my toes, and then that's should put me at maybe like 11, so then that way, so then that way I can leave, get money from the bank, go to her house, easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's the goal, and that's what we're going to try to get accomplished today. Yeah. So first, I gotta get all my nail stuff out. Take some hot water, put it on a towel. Put it in the bowl. A little bit more water. You know, like this. I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see the steam coming off it a little bit. That's what you want. Then I get a Ziploc bag like this. And the soak off any acetone, this gel coating. Put it in here. Maybe a little more. Like this in the bag. Into the bowl. And then put my hands on it, I cover it like that, and then that's what helps me soak it up. Contacts. Fuck. Can't see. I'm kind of running out of time. So I got this blow dry brush from Marshall's yesterday with a whole bunch of unnecessary stuff, but I'm gonna use this heat protectant and some BioSilk. Yes, I'm a trial size mommy, because if it's $2 and I barely use it, why would I get this big $16 one? That don't make no sense. So my hair is actually Very moisturized. The curls are finally popping again after a shampoo and condition. I think just my hair was really, really, really dehydrated beforehand. So, yeah. But it's coming back around. I just need to continue to wash it more often. Because my hair has been in braids or twists or something where I can't wash my hair every single day. And it's just, or not every single day, but like once a week. And it's just dehydrated. So, I promised myself I was going to start taking better care of my hair. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
Yeah, this the truth. Yeah, this the truth for sure. Ah, yeah, this gonna knock through real fast. Thank you, God. I made a good decision to buy this. So I'm fixing to go. I tried to tidy up before I left. So much going on today. I was gonna go to H&M when I got done with my hair, because I'll be over there, but I don't have time for that today. Bye, sweetie. I'll see you later. Let me bring a banana. I don't think I ate a banana. I didn't eat a banana this morning. Okay. Banana keys. And I'm out the door. Okay, so I just got here. I'm finna step before. And I'm finna go in there. You'll see. Okay. So this is my hair. No cap, I kind of hate it. I don't know. I don't hate it, but I do. Ugh. Let me just keep these on my purse. On myself. So this is my hair. I don't know. I don't hate it. I'm not in love with it, but this is a design I chose, so it's not her fault. But they cute, but like, y'all know hairstyles be having a girl on me. Hairstyles be having a girl on me, so.
To what we were talking about earlier, like being your authentic self. Because I'm not gonna lie, I think Cardi B. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to the gas like I did now. got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is nothing is forever. Then what makes love exception? So why, oh,